Hello, everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to touch on the topic of the baby boomers and the Gen Xers talking about their wills because unfortunately they are getting older and being the oldest generation right now in our population kind of calls for them to start taking a step back and analyzing their future, and more importantly making sure their children, us millennials and those Gen Zers coming behind us, are all prepared for their early or long-term demise. And more importantly, I heard a phrase of someone saying that my will is with God. And that is correct. If you're religious, then your will is with God. The word of God will show your will, and his will be your will. However, here on earth in this lifetime, when you pass and you leave behind things and you have children, you have to make sure your will is with the state that you're residing in, and that your will is written and it has witnesses and it is encompassing of all of the things that you wish for it to have. And not only that you have a will, but that you have an advanced healthcare medical directive, that you have a POA, a power of attorney, that you have a trust, that you have put all of the things that you poured into your will into that trust so it can be safely held and protected from different types of tax implications and from probate, more importantly, the expensive process of probate. So I wanted to talk about this because it's kind of a phrase that I've heard people throwing around, but it is definitely one that should be on all of your radars, especially as your parents become older and begin to have those conversations with them while they are still in their right state of mind. You want to make sure, for my millennials, that you're having conversations with your parents about this and making sure that their will is actually documented. And if you are named as a beneficiary in their will, that you understand your role potentially as the personal representative or the trustee in that regard. I wanted to give you guys that tidbit. If you're in need of legal services explaining a will or talking about your parents' options or your options, make sure you give our office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.